guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some cute summer cheap outfits, summer/spring. Some of them are like more spring-like. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like these type of videos, or if you want me to do more like fashion video, like fashion beauty type videos or whatever. And yeah, also don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And I appreciate all your support. And yeah, I will see you guys at the end of the video. Let's get started. Okay, so for my first outfit, I have this blue dress. It's really flowery. It has a lot of flowers on it, and it's really super soft and super cute. And it's also like a tank top kind of thing, so it's like more made for summer, so that way you don't get too hot. And it's really soft and super comfy, as well as cute. And here's the back, and it's like lacy in the back, and it's super cute and super comfortable, and I really like it, and I really have been enjoying wearing it. And yeah, it's a really nice sundress. And yeah. Okay, outfit number 2 is these really cute shorts. They're like kind of like polka dotted, like they like have paint spots on them and stuff. And they kind of look like they're actual jeans, like I cut them or something, but I definitely did not. They were already like that. And then they have this super cute button, and then the tank top is a super cute like pink tank top that says love across it, and it's really soft. It's like that really nice soft material, so it's super comfortable. And then it was also really cheap, by the way. All these clothes are from Walmart, and they were like $3 or less for everything. Some of them were even on the clearance rack. And here's the back of it. It's pretty simple, but there's also multiple ways you can wear this shirt. You can roll it up if you want to, you can tie it, or you can just leave it down if you really want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so the third outfit I do believe that I have is the same shorts that I actually just had on, because I just wanted to show you the shirt. But it's a basic tank top. It's really simple. It says love across it, and then the back is like really simple too. But I just think it's super cute, and it's really comfortable, and it's just like super simple, and it's really cheap. So that way you can look cute, but for like cheap prices. So yeah. Also, these outfits you don't have to like put together. I just wear them together and just wanted to show you what they look like. So yeah. Okay, for my fourth outfit, I have this super cute purple, like kind of workout shirt kind of shirt, sort of. I kept the same shorts on because I don't have any of the shorts. I just have the shirt. But yeah, it's a super nice shirt. It's really comfortable, and it's great for working out because it's like kind of like a cutoff sort of. And then the back is like wide open, so that way you don't like get too hot when you're exercising, or even just wearing it in the summer. But it's kind of like a thick material, that way you don't get like too cold. So it's like kind of that perfect like thickness, I guess. And it's really soft, and it says work a lot, love, and sweat a lot, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's super cute, and it was only $3. I don't remember where I got it, but it was at some random store at my local mall, and it was only $3, and I think it's just super cute. And yeah, this shirt has also multiple uses. You can exercise in it, you can just wear it for fun, do whatever you want. But yeah, I really like this shirt. Okay, so the next outfit I have is a little more for like spring, but I have these cute like skinny jeans that I got from Walmart. I think I only paid like $3 for these. They're dirty, and they're just like this like dark bluish color. They're really super cute, and they're like nice and form-fitting. And then I have this cute sweatshirt, which is actually a kid's sweatshirt, so it's not exactly that I fit it. So I mean, it's not exactly people my age want to wear this, but underneath it, I just have this cute little teal tank top, super soft and super nice. And I don't know, I just think this whole outfit is like super cute and like casual on a spring day, or even a winter day, I guess. But this is supposed to be super cute for a spring day. And yeah, it doesn't look much different in the back, but there you go. Okay, so for, I think my final outfit, I kept the same jeans on and the same tank top, but I just have this nice, cute teal, like jean jacket type thing. I could button it all the way up, but I'm not going to do that. It's super nice and cute, and I think it goes really good with these jeans too.
So I actually might wear this to school, and it's like not super heavy, so you won't be like sweating like your butt off in like 60-degree weather or something. At least for me, I live in Michigan, so our spring and summer, beginning of summer, aren't exactly warm yet. So I think this outfit is super cute, super perfect for that. All the outfits that I have and everything I'm going to be doing in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I had really a lot of fun making these videos. I don't know if this video is going to turn out exactly how I hope, but I hope it does. And yeah, comment down below if you want me to do like more videos like this or whatever, or like more videos like beauty videos, fashion videos, like makeup, anything like that. I mean, I'm not like some beauty guru or whatever, but I think I'm like halfway decent at that kind of stuff. So yeah. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've been doing a lot of polls and a lot of like interaction with people lately, so to see what kind of videos people want. And like I said before, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next week with another video. Also, I hope you have a great day, an amazing day. And don't forget to spread love and be yourself and just enjoy life. And yeah, anyway guys, I'll see you next week. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be... No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing... No! Okay.